So I'm pretty sure you guys have had keyboard frustrations in the past like this before, where your spacebar gets all wiggly and doesn't want to work correctly. And that's not really a big problem. All you're going to need to do is get something to pry it up, and I'll show you how to fix that. So when you pry the spacebar up, you're going to find that this rod has came loose that's in there. So what you're going to do is you're just going to hook the rod back in where it goes, just like that. Get your spacebar, make sure these little clips here, that one and that one, go on the back like this. They're facing you whenever you put it down. So make sure that it's facing you whenever you put it down. Push your keyboard down on both ends. And as you can see, it didn't work this time, so that means you have to take it back up again if it doesn't work the first time, just to get it right the second time. Pull the keyboard back off. Again, check that, and then check that your little bar that you put in is sitting in the right area. It wasn't sitting on these little cradles for it. So once you get that done, then put your spacebar back on there and push it down on both sides, and your spacebar now works like it should. And that's how you fix the space bar. Subscribe, rate, comment, what you gotta do, and I'll talk to you guys later.